Hey, what's up? This is Anti-VFX, and today's video we are going to talk about the Masterclip effect. So what is Masterclip effect? That means it is a method that we can use to apply effects to video clips inside timeline. Let me explain the scenario. In my timeline, you can see a talking head video like this. In this case, we want to apply the tint effect to these three clips. Normally, you have to apply the tint effect 3 times to apply the effect to this, right? If not, you have to use an adjustment layer. But using the Masterclip effect, we can apply effect to the source monitor like this. In order to do that, go to the project panel like this, and you have to find the source clip of this video clip inside the timeline. You can easily do that by right click on the clip, and you can use this option reveal in project. It will open the source clip inside the project panel. Now go to the project panel and double click here. It will open the source clip inside the source monitor like this. Now go to the effects panel and apply the tint effect to that and drag and drop this effect to the source monitor like this. Now we applied the effect, and if you go to the timeline, and we can see that we have added that tint effect to the 3 clips, which is what we needed. How do we control the effects control? And if you click on this clip and if you go to the effects control panel, you cannot see any tint control settings here. Go to the project panel again and double click on the source video, and now you can see inside the effects control panel the tint control settings like this. We can control the tint option like this. Let's say we want to apply another effect. Let's say we want to apply the 4-color gradient, and we can drag and drop this effect to the source monitor like this. You can see this plus icon. That means we can accomplish this task. I release the mouse. We added the effect to the source monitor, and then if you didn't click on the timeline, you can directly go to the effects control panel like this, and then you can control the effect settings like this, right, like this, and it will affect to all the clips inside the timeline, because these 3 clips belong to the same source clip, right? This is a pretty easy method. If not, you have to apply the effect to these clips 3 times. That takes too long time. If you want to disable the effect, this method doesn't work. If you double click on here, it will also open in the source monitor, but you cannot see any effects controls here, right? So that in order to change the settings, first you need to go to the project panel. That is very important. Then you can double click on the source clip like this. Now you can see inside the effects control panel, you can see the effect settings. If you want to disable the effect, you can click on this mark and it will disable the effect. The beauty of this Masterclip effect is we can apply effects globally. That is pretty easy, and also this method is pretty easy to manage, and also it is when we know that Adobe Premiere take a lot of processing powers. If we apply that 4-color gradient effect to this clip one by one, it take two time to process this video, because you can see the timeline became red because it is processor intensive. But if we apply that effect using this Masterclip effect method, it is very easy to manage, and it is less processor intensive. The important thing also is you cannot apply audio effects like this. If you try to apply any kind of audio effects to this source clip, that method doesn't work, right? Let's say you can see this cross mark here, because we cannot apply audio effect like this. Otherwise, you can apply any video effect to videos, and this is a pretty easy method when we applying color correction effects to videos like this. So that's it for today's video, and I'll be back with the next Adobe Premiere video tutorial.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love.